Have you ever looked at someone your age and wondered why they look so much younger than you? The truth is, looking older isn't just about getting older. In fact, some of the biggest things aging your face happen every single day, without you even noticing. And the scary part? Most men think these habits are completely normal. In the next few minutes, I'll show you 5 science-based mistakes that secretly make men look older than their age. Make sure you stay until the end, because the last mistake is something almost everyone does every single day. And fixing it is easier than you think. Let's get started. Mistake number 1 is poor sleep every single night. Your body repairs your skin while you sleep. It produces collagen, repairs damaged cells, and reduces inflammation. Think of sleep as your body's free overnight skincare treatment. But when you regularly sleep less than 7 hours, that repair process gets interrupted night after night. Slowly, your face starts paying the price. Dark circles become more noticeable. Your skin looks dull. Your face becomes puffier. And even if you're still young, you begin looking older than your actual age. The good news? Most adults simply need 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. It's one of the easiest ways to improve your appearance naturally. But sleep isn't the biggest reason many men age faster. There's another mistake that starts the moment you step outside. Mistake number 2 is too much sun exposure. Most people think the sun only makes their skin darker, but that's only part of the story. Ultraviolet rays slowly break down collagen, the protein that keeps your skin firm, smooth, and youthful. Without enough collagen, fine lines appear earlier, wrinkles become more visible, and your skin slowly loses its healthy look. The surprising part is, this damage happens even on cloudy days. That's exactly why dermatologists recommend wearing sunscreen every single day. Not because you'll notice the difference tomorrow, but because you'll notice it years from now. Now here's where things get even more interesting. The next mistake doesn't happen outside. It happens every time you sit down to eat. Mistake number 3 is eating too much sugar and processed food. What you eat doesn't just affect your body, it affects your face too. Foods that are high in sugar and heavily processed can increase inflammation inside your body. Over time, they also damage collagen through a process called glycation. You don't need to remember the name, just remember the result. Your skin can lose its natural glow. Breakouts become more common, and your face may start looking older than it should. Instead, focus on eating more whole foods. Get enough protein. Eat fruits and vegetables every day, and choose healthy fats whenever possible. Your skin reflects what you feed your body. But even if your diet is perfect, one invisible habit can still age your face much faster. Mistake number 4 is chronic stress. Stress doesn't just affect your mind, it affects your appearance too. When you're stressed for long periods, your body produces more cortisol. High cortisol can increase inflammation, slow down skin repair, and leave your face looking tired and worn out. You can't remove stress completely, but you can control how you respond to it. Exercise regularly, go for a short walk, spend less time on your phone, and give your mind time to recover. A calmer mind often creates a healthier looking face. Now let's talk about the mistake almost everyone makes every single day. Mistake number 5 is dehydration. Your skin needs water to stay healthy. When you don't drink enough water, your skin can become dry, fine lines become more noticeable, and your face loses that fresh, healthy look. Drinking water won't magically erase wrinkles overnight, but staying properly hydrated helps your skin look smoother, healthier, and more alive. The truth is, looking younger isn't about expensive skincare. It's about avoiding the small mistakes that slowly age your face over time. Sleep well, protect your skin from the sun, eat better, manage your stress, and stay hydrated. Do these 5 things consistently, and your future self will thank you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.